In this video, how to log into Walmart Workday portal, I will show you step by step how to log into the Walmart Workday portal. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Then go to the official Walmart Workday portal website. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your details. Enter your username or user ID provided by Walmart. Next, type your password in the required field. Make sure the information is correct before continuing. Now click the Sign In button to access your account. If the information is correct, you will be redirected to the Workday dashboard. Inside the portal, you can access work-related information. You can also view payroll details and benefits information. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to reset your password. Enter the email or user ID requested. Then check your email for the password reset link. Click the link and create a new password. Now return to the login page and sign in using the new password. This is how you can securely access the Walmart Workday portal.